Hello student, first of all I will give you my warm welcomes to come on my channels. Thank you very much to come on my channel. So please don't forget to share, comments, subscribes and follow my channels so that I can send you more and more videos and upload it, so and you will take the profit on my from my channels. And this is my channel of the Rajesh Singh. If you subscribe these channels and follow it well, you will get more and more suitable ways you to develop your new skills and developments. This is the times. The time is very important, and this is the times under 24 in this century. We understand that what is the requirement of each and every student. So every and each student want that he will develop their skills so that he can gain and the better marks in their coming examinations, aggregate good positions in their classes, so that to taking care of all the aspect of the mathematics and the other subjects. I am giving you such types of the better examples, related videos, and to solve and give the better performance, so that the student have a better performance in their classes, in the examination period of times, and the other places where in the competitive exams point of view also. So here is as today I will teach you here the cell. What is cell? You know that every person wants what is cell. Cell is the first define the cell. Suppose that we will define the cell. How we will define the cells? So first of all, cell is the structural and functional unit of life, discovered by Robert Hooke. It was seen as the honey bee life structure. This cell was dead cork cell. This cell was dead cork cells, and further many scientists give their best viewpoint about cell. So here is the cell, and after that the cell theory was proposed by Kisloiden and Swan, by the scientist Kisloiden and T. Swan. Here is the cell, and some I will try to give some basic fundamentals of cells. We will try here to try to understand the cell and its structure. Suppose that we are going to draw a cell, that is a plant cell. Generally, types of cells we will study. Types of cells. Types of cells, generally we know that there are two types of cells: animal cell and the plant cell. What is animal cells? The cell that is found in animal is called animal cell. The cell which is related to plants and the plant cell is called plant cells. This is the general formula, so we will do know it. What is the general formula of the cell? So first of all, we will try to describe the plants. Here the external structure of plant cells. Suppose that we are going to draw external structure of plants. This is the external structure of plant cell. First of all, this is plant outermost covering of the plant cells. Here is the outermost covering of plants. This in the formal cells, suppose that we have tried to give you a suitable structures. On the basis of that, we can solve it related problems. These problems generally create a bugbears for the student and does not understand what is the real structure and reality of the cells. This we have seen form here, cell wall on the plant cell, and here is related topics of the cell, and this is the plant cell we are trying to describe so that we can make a suitable pathway to inculcate the student, and whatever the query comes by the student can be give the facilitate them. So here is the plant structure. We have drawn here the structure of the plant cells. It's a cell walls, generally the outermost covering of the plant cells. It's a very thick surrounding and 3-layer containing cell wall is given here. Now we will try this in the further. So we will see that in the middle of the plant cell, we will say here the we can say this is the plant cells, and here is the nucleus. We will draw here nucleus one by one. So this is the nucleus, and the further this is the nucleus. Suppose that nucleus, and if we take the plant cells, here is the largest vacuoles and the some Golgi body is given here. Here is the chloroplast, and this is mitochondria. This is some endoplasmic reticulums, and the ribosome is given here on the sticks, and some of the dispersing forms, and somewhere the Golgi body also we can say that. So Golgi. Okay, so we will label it. So try to label the figures. Here is the cell wall. Covering middle layer, innermost layer. Okay, this is plasma desmata. This is plasma desmata. Here is the largest cell organelles called vacuoles. Vacuoles is here. Actually, you can say here is the nucleus. Nucleus is given here. Nucleus, how many parts we can try to understand that nucleus. Nucleus can be, suppose that this is the nucleus, nucleoplasm, plasma, nuclear membrane. Here is the nuclear pore. This is nuclear pore. This is the part of nucleus. Nucleus we have here. Second cell organelles, here is the cell organelles named chloroplast pigments that take part in the photosynthesis. Here is the we have the mitochondria. Mitochondria is the source of energy productions, and the ribosome is also ribosomes. Protein synthesis, according protein synthesis, and the brain of cell is nucleus. We also have soluble here, and the sums endoplasmic reticulum is also given here. Endoplasmic reticulums, and only we can say that it's a Golgi body. Golgi body. These are the structures, external structure. This we can say that external, internal structure of cell. Plant cell generally. Plant cell. So students, we have draw here the structure of the plant cells. So we can say there's how many parts of the plant cells. So here is the cell organ. Internal part of the plant cell is, we can say it is a cell organ, and the external part we have then. So if we take the anatomy of this cell of the plant cells, we will say the outer covering is made up of the 3 layer containing outer covering called the plasma, outer membrane, middle and the inner membranes, and below that layer is also known as plasma membrane. Plasma membranes. It is the second innermost part of the cell walls, and in case of the animal cells, it is the first outermost covering of the cell. So we will describe here, and if we want to differentiate it, so there's what is difference between the plant and animals. And in case of the taking the terms of plasma membranes, so we will describe here the plasma membrane is the innermost part or second innermost part of the plant cells, and in case of the animal cell, it is the first outermost part of the plant cell. So we will describe the here, and label all part of the plasma, all part of the plant cells. Here cell organelles is given here, and the outermost covering of the plant cells is given here, and this is the anatomical feature of the plant cell, and I have given here. I will try my best so that you can understand this one by one, and finally, I have given you these videos, and if you will subscribe, share, comments, like, subscribes, and follow my channels, as I will try my best to give my video near about 30 minutes and more minutes. If you don't subscribe and if you don't like my video and have any types of the problems, please do comments on my channels so that I can improve my teachings and some materials that I am providing through the YouTube channels. And improve myself, so my teachings process and the lecture process, and so whatever the problems is coming here, so we will improve it soon. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, please. For many times I have requested you, all the students, that don't forget to subscribe my channels and do it per day, so that I can do my best to inculcate you all the student and best performance, so that student can do the best performance in their some particular subject, and can understand the terms and its real meanings. So first of so I have given you these lectures on the basis of these situations. So nowadays generally I'm giving this lectures on the basis of the cell and the cell structures, and also I will try my best so that I can inculcate you all the things that related to our problems and the queries related to the students, and if any types of the queries coming, so please don't forget to link I am giving below my all the videos below that. Thank you very much for coming on my channel. I will hope that you will certainly do whatever prescriptions is given by me, and if you have any types of the suggestions, please suggest me through the comments box, and link is given here. So on the basis of the links, you can also try to give the your suggestions and your part. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot, and goodbye. Bye bye.